Welcome to my course, Bienvenue la Fosse. Yes, that is how we call welcome in French language. And this is the promo video. First of all, I'm so glad that you have come so far to view this promo video and you are definitely planning to take up this course. So, first of all, let me tell you what you all gonna learn in this course. Since it is the part 1 of Learn to Speak French from Scratch, you all will be learning the basics of the French language. Yes, the very basics of any language that you ought to know. I will tell you a lot about France, its famous attractions, cuisines, how to greet people, how to meet people, and how to converse the most basic things in French language. I will be teaching you how to pronounce course. So I would just encourage you to enroll in this course today because learning a second language is like having a second soul. You can see a world through a new window by learning the French today. It will be great for you if you take up this course because along with my other courses on English speaking skills, taking up this course on one side will sharpen your brain and your confidence in a wonderful manner. Just try for it and you will feel the change in yourself. Thank you once again.